Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Fitness trainers. How to create packages and promotions in Thryv. Are you a fitness trainer tired of selling single sessions and constantly chasing clients for renewals? What if you could bundle your services into attractive packages and run promotions that keep clients coming back, without the manual work? That's exactly what Thryv helps you do. In today's video, I'll show you how to create fitness packages and set up promotions inside Thryv so you can boost retention, increase revenue, and grow your client base effortlessly. With Thryv, you can manage all of this in one platform. No spreadsheets, no confusion, no missed payments. How to set up packages in Thryv. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Log into your Thryv dashboard. Step 2. Head to the Products and Services section. Step 3. Click Add New Package. Step 4. Enter details, package name, description, price, and what's included, like 10 sessions or 6 weeks of training. Step 5. Set expiration rules if you want clients to use it within a certain time frame. Save, and your package is ready to sell, right through your client portal or directly via invoices. How to run promotions in Thryv. Step 1. Go to the Marketing tab. Step 2. Select Promotions and Coupons. Step 3. Create a new promotion, like buy 5 sessions, get 1 free, or 20% off your first month. Step 4. Choose your audience, new clients, existing clients, or both. Step 5. Schedule your promotion to run automatically during a set period. Now, clients see the promotion in their portal, and you can even share it with one click to email, SMS, or social media. With Thryv, you're not just booking sessions, you're building packages, loyalty programs, and special offers that keep clients engaged. Best of all, everything is automated, from payment tracking to reminders. If you're ready to scale your fitness business beyond one-off sessions, Thryv gives you the tools to do it all in one place. Start using Thryv today with the link in description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.